What I like about the RICOH GRIII camera is its ability to apply the image control directly to your pictures and publish your work straight out of the camera. As a photographer, we wanted to have an effective workflow that enables us to shoot, post, and deliver our work by minimizing our time sitting on a monitor editing our pictures. I have traveled so many times and taken pictures using the RICOH GRIII camera in RAW format, and each trip I would have taken about 500 to 1000 pictures, and it's always a struggle to sort out the images and edit them after each trip. Some of the images that I have taken are still on the SD card or a disk drive, waiting for them to be edited. And to be honest, sometimes it is demotivating to think that you have so many pictures to edit and you don't have the luxury of time to do so. Quite frankly, some of these pictures may never see the light of the day. And that's a shame, because I believe that these pictures need to be seen, need to be heard, shared, and to be published. Now, with the RICOH GRIII camera, shooting and applying the image control directly to your pictures enable you to maximize your workflow by having images ready for publishing straight out of the camera. Although the format will be in JPEG format, the quality and the size of the image is still good, which I think is irrelevant if you just wanted to create a ready-to-publish work. Now, what's even good about this is that you can personalize your own image control and create your own recipe that is unique, personal, and is reflective of your creative style. Now, the pictures that I'm sharing to you now was created from the base color of the image control color positive, and I have adjusted some of the settings such as the exposure, saturation, white balance, contrast, and so on to achieve these images. Again, these images were shot straight out of the camera and they have not been altered or edited. With this lifestyle of shooting, it makes it easier for you to process your files and speed up your workflow from shooting to posting. That means you have a lot of time now to just focus on the groundwork, which is about shooting, creating content, posting, and delivering your work efficiently without wasting time sitting in front of the computer, editing a lot of these images. And that's one good thing about a camera like the RICOH GRIII. It makes it easier for you to work and get inspired.